Hello, in today's short tutorial I will show you how to add buttons on GoDaddy. So when you log in GoDaddy, you will go to your website builder, and when you're on your website you will choose where you want to put your buttons. I will choose this section, for example. You can do of course every section that you want. I will choose this for example. I will click add section and you will go in the search bar. On the search bar you will search for buttons, and when you search for buttons you will find them here. When you click it, you will have a layout for buttons. You will click add. After adding, you will have 4 buttons menus. Of course you can add more buttons, or you can just click like this and can down in this corner delete one button, or few, or 2 or 3 buttons, how you want. You can have 1 button, 3 buttons, 10. You can arrange it and do it like you want. You can make an accent. You can change the alignment of the button logo. Of course you can change it like this hello. You can delete it. You can change the words of the buttons. You can change the title, of course, the second tile that I talked about, and you can choose the buttons by itself, what they can have what name it is. It can have a link to a page or a website URL, a phone or an email, or it can be put to the home page or a section on the page. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial how to add buttons on GoDaddy. That is it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other questions, you can ask in the comments or visit our channel for any other tutorials. We have many. I hope you have a good day and see you in the next one. Bye!